Okay, so this is the fourth part of the tutorial for solving the Crazy Megaminx plus Mars. In this section, we're going to place the corners into their right places. So first, just check to see which ones are already done, like this one. So, since this one's already completely solved, I'm going to get the rest of them in one of the sides. I can choose between the purple side, orange side, or yellow side, but I'm going to start with the yellow side because that one's fixed and I just want to get that one out of the way. So, for this one, I'm going to need three sides, and they all have to be not fixed, like this purple, green, and red. First thing I'm going to do is put this one over here, and put this one straight up here. So from here, I'm going to take this out this way, like that. Move this piece over, do the exact opposite. Put everything back as it was. Now these two pieces are completed. Next, I'm going to put this piece over here. So from here, I'm going to use the green, light green, pink, and red. So put this one over here. From here, I'm going to put this one out of the way. Move this piece over and replace it. Like that. Now I have 3 pieces of the yellow side completed, and now I need these 2 more. So from here, I'm going to use the green, pink, and red. Put this one over here. Now I need 1 more. It's over here. Gonna use green, pink, and red again. And when you're doing this, make sure that the piece underneath of the piece you're placing isn't already solved, because that piece will get messed up. So, I'm gonna put this one over here. So now I'm done with the first layer. Next, I'm going to get these. And to save you time, you can try to put them in the right order, already turned, rotated in the correct position like I did. And to do that, just make sure that on the yellow side, all the yellows are facing up when you place them. So say these 2 were flipped, I would just make sure that the yellow side was up. So first I'm going to put this piece in here. Green, red, and pink. Put this one over here. Make sure this one isn't solved because I'm going to use this side at the bottom. And from here, so that it's in the right place, like I said before, the green side has to be up. Because when it moves over, it's just going to slide over this way. And the green side will be up, white side will be on the left, and purple side will be on the right. So from here, take it out of the way, replace it, put it in. So, like that. Next, I want the purple, blue, and orange right here. Okay, so if I do it like this, then the orange side is facing up. I'm going to use orange, green, and pink. This side isn't solved, so I'm going to put this over here. And put everything back as it was. I'm done with these 3. Now I need gray, orange, and green. That one's over here. So from here, I'll use green, pink, and red. I'm going to use this piece as the bottom. Put this one straight over here. Put everything back as it was. Okay, now I'm done with that. Now I need pink, green, and blue. Okay, so from here, Okay, I'm just going to put this one over here, and this time it's not going to be rotated correctly, but that will come later. So now I'm going to use the pink, red, and green. I'm going to use this as the bottom. Take this out, replace it with this. Put everything back as it was. So now, this piece is still in the right spot, so I'm just going to leave that for now. Next, I need red, blue, and white right here. I'm going to use red, green, and purple. Now this piece is solved, so I'm going to just put this piece over here quickly, like that. And just make sure you memorized where everything went. Now I need to put this piece over here. This one back. This one back. So now I'm done with the second layer. And now I have to do this third layer. This one's already put in place. So I'm going to start with this one. Blue, gray, and orange. I'm going to use orange, green, and pink to avoid using any of these two. So first I'm going to put the orange side up onto the green. Then I'm going to move this piece over. Now I'm going to put this one right here now. Like that. Put everything back as it was. Now these two are solved. Next I'm going to do gray, pink, and green. I'm going to use the pink, red, and green. So from here, I'll put this one over here. Okay, so now I have that piece in. Now I need pink, red, and blue. That one's over here. So I'm going to use red, green, and purple. This piece isn't solved, so I'll put that one down here. Put this one over here. Now this piece isn't rotated correctly like this once, but I'll consider it solved now since it's in the right place. Next, I want the red, green, and white. Down over here, I'll use red, green, and purple. This piece isn't solved, so I'll put that one down here. Put this one right here. Okay, now I'm done with that layer. Now I just have to get the top row. This piece is already solved. So first thing I'm going to do is, well, these two are both solved. And I'm going to put these up to a non-fixed side so that I don't use yellow. So I'll move this up here. And from here I can use red, pink, and green. From here I want to put this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. Now, these are the only ones that aren't solved, so the piece at the bottom can be solved. So put this one here, this one here, and this one here. Take this one out, place it with this one. Now I'm going to put this one up here, place it with that one, and put this one up here. Now the bottom piece comes back to normal. Now I've put every corner piece into the right spot.